Hey, thanks for sharing your plan. And as most of you know, my videos are not all clean and cleaned up. They're extemporaneous, and I just open the file, start the video, and then let those chips fall where they may. Let's just take a look here in the kitchen on the first floor. Okay. I'm going to open the dialog box for this area. Just like the Humble Chief guy said, I'm going to go over to the Structure tab, and the ceiling finish is 0. That means no ceiling. You can see in this graphic right here that there's supposed to be a structural platform between the first floor ceiling and the floor of the second floor, if you were curious. And when you set the ceiling, then the bottom of this structural platform, you haven't built framing either, so there's just a void there. So I'm going to go over here and click on Edit, and I'm going to just click on Insert. I don't want this material, it's insulation air gap. I want something that actually the camera can see. So I'm going to click on that. Excuse me, and whoops. Try that again. It opened and then it closed on its own. Okay, I'm going to go to Plan Materials and find drywall. The drywall. Down here somewhere. There it is. Drywall. There you go. Now there's something to see there. And I'm going to make it not 2 inches thick, but 5/8. Might be a half, whatever you decide, but it has to have some thickness. And when I click OK and select that, voila, ceiling. Same thing over here. Double click on that, open the dialog box, go to the Structure tab. Well, let's see what happens when we just check default. It automatically puts 5/8 in there. Color bone. Well, okay, that's okay. You can set it to whatever you want. That's why your ceilings are. See, that's right. Why this is color bone and this is drywall. So let's just change that. There. Now they all match. There's your ceiling. It's very simple, and it's exactly like what that fellow's name? Humble Chief Larry Haas. Larry Haas is spot on, but you didn't do what Larry indicated you should do. This video shows you what you need to do to bring the structural thickness up, and in order to have a ceiling, it has to be there and not be 0. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.